Two large boiled potatoes. Mash well. One teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 green chili chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves chopped. Mix well. Spinach leaves. Add prepared mixture. Cover with another spinach leaf. 1 cup graham flour. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1/2 teaspoon carom seeds. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon fresh coriander leaves chopped. Water as per required. Mix well. Add water gradually. Coat in graham flour mixture. Fry on medium flame until crispy.